This is for educational purposes only. Please subscribe as this was hard to make. First, keep hold of Shift while we're starting. When the special menu appears, press Troubleshoot. Then press Reset this PC. Over here, you press the one you want. Here you can also pick the one you want. I will do all drives. Here I am picking the bottom one, but you can do the top two. When done, press Reset. After a while, you should see the setup screen. Go through the steps, and then it is done and the PC is reset. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more. Also check out my Discord in the description.